Do you know what this kid looks like? Let's get his backpack too. Are you Anthony? Come on.
Sure.
You know what I want to talk to you about? You don't know? Okay. All right. Do me a favor. Keep your hands out of your pockets for me. Okay. Take your backpack off for me. All right. So somebody reported that they have a photo of you, and in the photo it looks like there's some sort of a weapon sticking out of a pocket, or take your hands out of your pockets. Okay. Do me a favor. Just lift your sweatshirt up. Turn around for me. Turn around again. Lift your sweatshirt up again. What is that? Relax. Okay? Anything else I need to be concerned about?
There's a mag in it, it's not popped.
Is it?
And there is a mag inside my hood.
What kind of gun is it?
It's a 9mm. Sig. It's not loaded. It has the mag in it, but it's not popped back.
Alright, don't move.
I almost got jumped 2 days ago, that's why I have it. I stole $200 on my wallet and I got jumped.
So, this back door, I'm not going to parade you through the gym, but we're going to go to my office and we're going to do the investigation. Okay? Hey, Coach, grab this bag for me.